The universe is so enormous and amazing that it has fascinated scientists and stargazers for many years. It is filled with mind-boggling mysteries that have puzzled people for centuries. From the strange and puzzling world of quantum mechanics to the vast and unimaginable expanse of space, the universe is like a treasure chest full of contradictions and puzzles that challenge our understanding of reality. You're watching Into the Unknown, and in today's video, we will explore some of the most fascinating contradictions in space and delve into the latest research and theories that attempt to solve them. But before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to Into the Unknown and click the bell icon. These paradoxes will make you think deeply about the mysteries of the universe, and you will find yourself pondering these enigmas for a long time. Now, let's get into some of the most fascinating paradoxes in space. As we look up at the stars, we can't help but wonder if we are the only ones in the universe. The Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, takes this question to the next level by asking why we haven't found any signs of intelligent life beyond Earth. This has puzzled scientists and fans of science fiction, leading to many theories and debates about life and the universe. One popular theory is the rare Earth hypothesis, which suggests that the conditions for complex life to develop are extremely rare and specific. For example, having a stable atmosphere and a magnetic field might be crucial for the survival of complex creatures. This theory makes us question whether we're just a lucky accident or if the universe is full of intelligent life that we haven't detected yet. Another mind-boggling explanation for the Fermi paradox is the Great Filter theory. It proposes that there is a catastrophic event or obstacle that prevents civilizations from advancing beyond a certain point. The idea of a great filter is fascinating yet unsettling, because it implies that intelligent life may be destined to fail in some way. Is the great filter a flaw in how intelligent life evolves, or is there a looming disaster that we haven't encountered yet? Imagine throwing a Rubik's Cube into a black hole. Poof! It disappears. But according to a branch of science called quantum mechanics, the information that made up the cube should still exist, even inside the black hole. This clashes with what we know about how black holes behave and creates a fascinating mystery known as the information paradox. Scientists have come up with some intriguing theories to try and solve this puzzle. One idea is called the holographic principle. It suggests that the information inside a black hole is not lost, but is instead stored on the surface of the black hole, like a flat image of a three-dimensional object. It's like a gigantic cosmic magic trick where the information is hidden right in front of us. Another theory is the firewall theory. It proposes that when anything falls into a black hole, it gets instantly burned up by a powerful wall of energy. This releases the information it contained back into the universe. It's as if the black hole acts like a cosmic phoenix, rising from the ashes of whatever it destroyed. These ideas might sound crazy, but they're based on the latest research and mathematical models. The information paradox has already led to groundbreaking discoveries, like the realization that black holes actually emit a form of radiation called Hawking radiation, and gradually shrink over time. Another interesting side to this paradox is that the information that goes into black holes is emitted as Hawking radiation. The emitted Hawking radiation is thermal, which means that it cannot carry information. This means that black holes destroy information. And this is a clear contradiction to what our physics says, that information cannot be destroyed. So get ready for an incredible journey as we delve into one of the most captivating cosmic mysteries of all time. By attempting to solve the information paradox, we are pushing the boundaries of our knowledge about the universe. Along the way, we might uncover secrets that could completely change our understanding of the cosmos. The grandfather paradox is a puzzling situation that can be quite confusing. It raises questions about time, cause and effect, and the nature of the universe itself. Let's imagine a person who can travel through time. They get into their time machine and go back to a time before their grandfather met their grandmother. Now, this time traveler has a dangerous plan. They want to erase their own existence by killing their grandfather. But here's the problem. If the time traveler succeeds in killing their grandfather, then they themselves would never be born. So, who went back in time to kill the grandfather in the first place? This paradox can make your head spin and leave you wondering about the mysteries of the universe. It's a real brain teaser. There are some proposed solutions to this paradox, and they are just as mind-boggling. One idea is that there are parallel universes. According to this theory, every action taken in the past creates a new timeline. So in one universe, the time traveler kills their grandfather and ceases to exist. But in another universe, they never go back in time and continue to exist as normal. It's like there are infinite universes branching out from every decisions made. Another intriguing concept is that of fixed points in time. This suggests that there are certain events that cannot be changed, no matter how hard you try. So even if the time traveler attempts to kill their grandfather, fate or some force would prevent them from altering the timeline. It's as if some things in time are set in stone. The grandfather paradox reminds us of how vast and mysterious the universe is. As we explore the mysteries of time travel, this paradox continues to fascinate and challenge us. It pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible and expands our understanding of the cosmos. The bootstrap paradox is a captivating idea that revolves around time travel and the complications it may bring. But before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to Into the Unknown and click the bell icon. Imagine someone travels back in time and gives a renowned composer a piece of music that eventually becomes a masterpiece. The paradox arises when we realize that the composer never actually composed the music in the first place. So, where did the music originate? Let's break it down step by step. Initially, the composer had no knowledge of the future masterpiece. However, a person from the future traveled back in time and handed the composer the music. As a result, the composer gained fame for creating the masterpiece, but the music's true source remains a mystery. It seems to have appeared out of thin air. This paradox derives its name from a tale by science fiction writer Robert A. Heinlein, in which a time traveler brings a book back in time and claims to be its author. The book then gets published, becoming a bestseller, yet its true origin remains unknown. The bootstrap paradox raises fascinating inquiries. If the music or the book never had an original creator, how did they come into existence? Did they always exist? Or did they somehow materialize out of nowhere? One possible explanation is that the music or the book may exist within a perpetual time loop, lacking a definite beginning or end. The time traveler brings it back, it is created, and then it is sent back in time once more. This loop continues indefinitely. It's akin to an everlasting cycle where the music or the book is constantly traveling through time, with no discernible origin. The bootstrap paradox challenges our comprehension of cause and effect. It demonstrates that time travel can lead to situations where an object or information seems to have no original source. It's a mind-boggling concept that delves into the intricacies of time and the potential consequences of altering the past. In the grand tapestry of human knowledge, the mysterious paradoxes of all time continue to captivate our imagination and drive our quest for understanding. They remind us that the universe is far more enigmatic and awe-inspiring than we can possibly comprehend. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to Into the Unknown for more amazing content and ring the bell icon to stay tuned.